Hi friends, welcome back. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss how to download and install the PostgreSQL software. PostgreSQL also one of the RDBMS tool. Many companies are using this RDBMS tool. Now we'll see how to download and install with easy steps. First, go to the Google and type PostgreSQL download. Now it is navigating to the PostgreSQL website downloads and just click on the download. For which operating system you want to download and install, just here I'm using for Windows, just click on this Windows. Now there is an option called download the installer, click on this. Now here you can see there are different types of versions from old to latest versions. Here you can see there is a 16.2. This is the new version of PostgreSQL. Now just I'm going to download and install this version. We are installing this software for Windows, that's why I'm selecting this Windows 64-bit. Click on this download. It's downloading. Here you can see it is downloading. It is a 363 MB. This is a free software. Anyone can download and install directly. Once after completion of the download, just double click on this. Click on yes. Click on next, next, again next, next, and it is asking the password. By default, we have this database super user Postgres, and the password you can give any password. Here I am giving some password and retype, that is confirmation password. Click on next. Again port number it is taking by default. Click on next, 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 next. Now it is installing. It takes some time for installation. Now the installation almost going to complete. See, now the installation was completed. Just uncheck this, click on finish. Now the PostgreSQL software download and installation was completed. Just go to the start and type pgadmin. See, pgadmin 4. So once after installing the PostgreSQL, if you wanted to write any queries, just go to the start or search, type the pgadmin. Now it is opening the pgadmin just like it is a management studio, and go to the servers. It is asking the password. Just before we entered while installing the software, I'm giving the password. If you want, you can save it. Click OK. Now go to the database. Under the database, Postgres, schemas, there is a public schema. If you wanted to see the query tool, just right click on this public and click on query tool. This is the query tool where we can write the SQL queries, and once after writing the SQL queries, we can execute it. So friends, this is how we are going to download and install the PostgreSQL software. Thank you friends. Please like this video and please do subscribe our channel.